started from Hurricane Helene, flooded the house. We went through and we had to rip out all the drywall, all the cabinets. The kitchen was probably one of the biggest jobs out of the whole house to redo. So we went around to a couple different cabinet companies, and KB ended up being the best as far as price, and they were right on it. Customer service is amazing. You go into their office, they walk you through everything. They got drawings, they got CGI renditions of different projects. You get a real good idea of what you're getting into before you get into it. You can tell they're well experienced. They explain everything to you to where you know exactly how the project is going to go. They go over the layout, how long you want your cabinets and how they're gonna sit, where you're gonna put them. They do the initial measuring by tape measure, went over the plans, all the different kinds of cabinets, all the different kinds of countertops we can get. After the cabinets are installed, then they come in with a laser and they laser measure everything for the countertops. That way everything is exact. When they installed them, everything came out perfect, dead center, and they installed it. It actually only took them about an hour to install all of the kitchen countertops, and they made it really easy. This is a quartz crystal. It is called Vienna Mont Blanc. It has some really nice shades of green, some grays mixed in with it, which the gray marbling effect really went good with our floors and the ceramic floors that I installed. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. It's got some nice shades of different white colors, and overall it was the best one out of any of the other companies that we've seen. They were super nice, you know, very knowledgeable, showed me how they were doing it, you know, how everything worked. And like I said, they were really clean and fast. It only took them about an hour in and out. I recommend you guys on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I've done some videos for you guys too, so I'm a supporter of the KB Countertops.